Come on, Dan. Ah, good boy. Ah, good boy. Need some strength in them legs now, you lad. Come on then. And again. Ah, good boy. Let's try a bit of beef. Oh, he's done nice. He's done nice. You like beef, yeah? Hey, kid. Turn around then. What's up, yeah? Come on, Dan. Rush, come on, mate. Let me put it in your bowl for you. Come on, Dan. Put it in your bowl. Go on, go over there and put your ball back. Yeah. A bit of beef, a bit of chicken, a bit of pate. Oh, Libby's left you a little piece of her toast. Okay. Yep, crack on with that. You trying those pork scratchings? Come on then, come try pork scratching. I think you'll like them. Come on then. No, come on. Come try this, I think you'll like it. I'll eat one with you. What saying? What saying? What you saying, Ross? Nice. Is it nice? Russell, is it nice? I'm going with that to win. Yeah, a winner.